to present my part on this assignment. My name is Nur Husna Imani, and first I'm going to talk about the introduction. In this assignment, we will be using matrices to represent the salaries of employees and corresponding data for each company. We will also be performing various operations on these matrices, such as addition, multiplication, and subtraction, to analyze the data and gain insights into the salaries of each company. We will be using the inverse matrix method and Cramer's rule method in this calculation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Wardah. Today I will present about my part. Firstly is about appreciation. We would like to acknowledge and give our awareness thanks to our lecturer, Sir Ahmad Zaki, who made this work possible. His guidance and advice carry us through all the stages of writing our project. We also like to thank our team because spend time to try our best to complete this project successfully. We also like to thank to each member of our entire family for their continuous support and their prayers that give us the motivation to complete the project from start to finish. Finally, we also want to express our grateful to Allah SWT for facilitating our effort through all the difficulties. We have experienced your guidance day by day. You are the one who allow us to finish our project.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shafikatullah and I'm going to represent my part in assignment PBL. And first of all, our objective in this assignment is to apply the concept of matrix multiplication to calculate the total salary and expenditure of each company, represent the salary data of employee in the form of matrix, and calculate and analyze the salary for each position within 3 companies. So our objective also compare the salary of employee in a different company using matrix and their operation.
For the second one, I will present about criminals. Firstly, the symmetric question we will change into the matrix form, and we will find determinant A, determinant A1, determinant A2, and find the determinant A3. For the X, we will use determinant A1 to divide it by A. For the Y, determinant A2 will divide it by A. And for the ZY, determinant 3 will divide it by A. For the X, finally we will get RM 6,000. For the Y, we will 2,000, and for the Z, we will get 500. That's all from me today.
And next, I'm going to talk about the calculation that we are going to use, which is 3x3 inverse method. Now I'm going to talk about salary overview. As you can see, my group has been decided. There are 3 companies that are going to involve in this assignment. The first company is Copycat Enterprise, second is Mawar Bukit Sendirian Berhad, and third is Sketches Enterprise. For Copycat Enterprise, there are 2 managers, 8 staff, 12 part-timer. Each position have different salary, but their monthly salary altogether is 34,000 ringgit Malaysia. As for Mawar Bukit Sendirian Berhad, there will be 4 managers, 6 staff, 10 part-timer, and their monthly salary is 41,000 ringgit Malaysia. And last but not least, Sketches Enterprise. They will having 4 managers, 2 staff, and 8 part-timers, and their monthly salary is 32,000 ringgit Malaysia. As you can see at the bottom of the table, we will having the linear equation for this assignment, which is 2x plus 8y plus 12z equals to 34,000, 4x plus 6y plus 10 equals to 41,000, 4x plus 2y plus 8z equals to 32,000. And now This is the inverse method calculation that has been calculated by me and my teams. And the last equation that and the last answer that we get is x equals to 6,000 ringgit Malaysia, y is 2,000 ringgit Malaysia, and z is 500 ringgit Malaysia. X is for manager, y is for staff, and z is for part-timer. That's all from me. Thank you.
As for our conclusion, we simplify that we have reached our objective by using a metric to compare the salary of 3 different positions in 3 different companies. A metric allows us to organize and visualize information in a clear and concise way, making it easier to identify pattern and make comparison. After analyzing the data in the metric, we can see that the salary for each position varies significantly between different companies. From the both calculation, which is the Creamer rule and the inverse method, we know that the main salary for manager is 6,000, meanwhile the salary for staff is 2,000. Lastly, the salary for part-timer is 500. And that's all for me. Thank you.